Fair warning, this game is rated PEGI 18. There is blood, there is boobs, there is decapitations, there is violence, there's lots of things like that. Also, I won't be censoring my curses on this one, so if you want to hear me say f*** shit, box and cock, then you've come to the right place. Anyway, on with the video.
Hello, I am Craig.
Who the fuck is Craig? Damn, that was quicker than last time. Edward Puffton! Barbara Puffton!
Oh, I can move.
Virginia. Oh.
Oh.
No!
Yes. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. I'm yelling. I'm going down. I'm yelling timber.
I'm going down. I'm yelling timber.
I'll be the one. You understand. Sorry, I'm trying to kick the door open. There we go.
Wait. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Hollywood superstar David Dasmalchian!
What?
From the hit movie Suicide Squad. No, oh no, sorry, The Suicide Squad. I forgot to make the distinction and nearly died.
Who invited you here?
And
Also, I can-
invited you here?
Oh! I can hear you!
You can hear me!
Am I black?
Are you?
My hands are.
You're black! Let's go!
It comes full circle! Oh, wait, you are. It does come full circle because you're Asian again.
Yes!
Hello, Kevin. I help you. Oh, that's the fucking box in a barrel. Oh no, Kevin's deaf. Nom nom nom.
Ah!
How do I drop this? Oh, it's G. I can just eat it. Hey, Louis. I got a present for you.
What's that?
It's called a rock. Oh, I can't throw it. It's called a rock.
No! No, I'm one shot! No! I've been Londoned. What have you sent Kelvin doing? Oh, why are there logs? Why have you done logs?
Because we need the. You left me unsupervised with Kevin, okay? Ow. Oh yeah, I got I got this.
Survival satchel.
Improvised survival handbook. Ah, okay.
There's just a whole ass Oreo in this thing.
What?
My Ben & Jerry's.
Supposedly, there's a cave right in front of us here. Oh yeah,
We should do it.
we should do it. Louis?
No, no, not in that way.
No, Louis, you don't know what I'm about to do.
Oh no.
Louis? Louis, where are you? I swear this is content. I swear this is content. I also wait.
Get me away from this man. I don't like his color.
What? It's fine, guys. He's Asian. He's not. Yeah. Oh, flares. Oh, oxygen tank.
Oh, entertainment bunker.
Oh, porn.
Hey. Turn around.
Do 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 boo 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 do.
Oh, meat. I don't... Is that human meat?
Who cares?
Yeah, if it's food, it's food. Oh,
Someone fucking paddle.
we can take him.
We can take him. Ah, he's still alive, Louis. I'm dead, by the way.
Oh, you are?
I'm laying on the ground. Didn't realize my health was so fucking low, but it is.
What happened to his head?
Raw fish!
Turn around!
That's a mutant.
Is it? I hadn't noticed.
You have a grenade? We can... actually, I've got a couple grenades. Hold on. If I can find where the fuck they are. Oh yeah, they're in the fucking cases.
Oh, he runs!
I think he's dead. Let's go. We speed run like we definitely didn't do last time. What is down here? I don't want to go down there. Let's go over here. This looks like it's gonna be safe and fun. Lots of dead people.
You're right, mate.
Well, these guys aren't alright.
Nah, look at him. He's just napping. Hang on, Ben and Jerry's.
You might want to hurry up. You might want to hurry up. You might want to hurry up. There's a fucking guy.
Oh, he looks. Ah!
I don't want to go down here anymore.
I think I got him.
Yeah, we might have the next guy. Oh my fucking god.
Carcasses.
Yeah. Why have I got this out? What the fuck?
Some little blue thing.
Oh yeah, the blue thing. What is it? It's probably loot, isn't it?
I think so.
Point of interest? I can't remember what these blue things are, to be honest.
No.
It's a bob!
Direct me, white child.
Do you like my sword? No,
No, I don't.
why not?
It's, I don't know.
Yeah, no, this guy here just, like, straight up was, like, here and died.
Oh, bro, up and whooshed!
Who is Jack Holt? What is he doing here? Puffton didn't have any friends, Chuck.
The motion blur is mad. Who the fuck is yapping? Shut that bitch up. Virgin!
Oh, camp in front of us, three.
Is there? So there is.
Yeah.
Oh, there's men in it.
There's a big man.
So there is.
Well, there's an ocean in front of us, or a lake. Oh! Oh, it's this three!
Yes!
Yes, we can fight back! Oh, yes! Yes!
Why is it so difficult for me to clamber over this shit? Ah, yes!
Yes. Let me equip that to the third slot.
We base here. He cries wax. Well, what?
What?
You hear that, right?
Yes, I do.
Huh?
Is that Jim?
That's a
That's
helicopter.
Jim! That's a helicopter! Hey!
Hey!
Oh, wait, it stopped right above us.
It's gone away. That's interesting. There we go. That's pretty nice. That's pretty cozy, right?
It's time for sexy.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready as well.